Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Hanger Stephen back at it with another New Balance review. I just got off of work. You know, I'm at the US Postal Service delivering all your packages, walking a whole bunch, house to house. Everyone's got to have a day job. Well, most people anyways. I mean, I didn't come from richness. I come from a factory worker and a stay-at-home mom. You know, that homeschool type family with 12 kids and, well, actually 14 technically. But yeah, I still got to work just like everybody, or some people, most people. But enough about me. Let's get into this New Balance 990V5, or is it what, 990V5, 990 version 5? I don't know how you want to say it. As I learn about new sneakers, I'm gonna keep posting new videos. Wow, this is a cool box that DTLR provided. Look at that. Where do you think this is made at? Huh? It is made in America, obviously, the New Balance gear. So definitely subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna have more and more content coming out. So you definitely want to keep up with it. I'm also an artist, so I've got my different art pieces around here that I create. And well, yeah, these flames too. I need to do some more, but you know, balancing work life, my marriage, and these videos, and hype gear, and then also trading around stuff. Oh yeah, Supreme was this morning. That was amazing. I don't know who went after the Supreme drop for week 1, but we'll look at that stuff soon, so subscribe there. Here is the label on there. Gotta love that type of branding on there. This box is totally cool. These are DTLR exclusive. They are still available on the DTLR website last time I checked. So if you want to grab a pair, definitely do it. I just grabbed them because I've always been into cars. My dad was really into cars, so ooh, nice. This is a really over-dyed blue. This is almost indigo, or like, I don't know, it's like that weird blue that's not really blue, but is it blue? But it is blue, but maybe it's not. And then they didn't actually lace them up, so we'll have to do that as well. This pair does have a lot of car vibes to it. Let me get out the other one. Okay, what should I do? Should I do the yellow laces, or should I go with the black laces? Let me take off these things here, say made in America. Some information on there. Obviously you can't read that, but it's on there. And then we got some tissue paper. Let's get that out of there. The paper also says made, and then it has that American flag looking thing on there. I mean, it's pretty much the American flag. We don't need the stars anymore. Maybe we should just redo the American flag and take the stars out so we can all be one united country instead of each of us being individual stars. But I don't know how Texas would feel about that. They feel like they're their own country. And California. Seriously, California is becoming its own country as well lately. That's just, yeah, let's not get into that. But anyways, the insole on this shoe is pretty awesome, actually. It's got that checkered flag for racing, and it's got this race car looking, or NASCAR almost looking graphic there on the sole. These pairs are pretty awesome because 70% of the price for these shoes actually goes to producing them and making them, so only like 30% is total profit for the New Balance company, which is quite different from what you'd find with Nike or Adidas. Their profit margins are just insane. Speaking of racing, just so you guys know, I'm not just hopping on the racing bandwagon. I've had this in the last couple of videos. It's kind of broken because I had it when I was really little. It's actually dusty. I should dust it. I said I had dusted, but I forgot to dust this. Look at this. Dale Earnhardt Winter Circle die-cast still in the box, but the box is trashed because it was in storage for quite a few years while I was not caring about anything material for a while, and now I'm back into collecting. I left collecting straight out of college, moved to Seattle for a few years, but now I'm back. Yeah, look at this. These emblems on here, these are just amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up and throw them on feet. A homage to USA made construction, the offering effectively likens the Boston footwear brand's mainstay with beloved automobiles in a way that caters to both sneakerheads and car enthusiasts alike. As such, June Sanders has implemented a few decals across the silhouette's upper, providing a striking sunrise influence gradient across not only the lower heel, but also the entire tongue and signature N logo. Elsewhere, saturated blues provide the suede mid-panel a bold finish, one that stands out heavily against the neutral grain of the mesh and supports adjacent. Black complements then finish along the heel wrap and toe cap, complementing a design that essentially nods to every notable element of its muse. You've got some race car paint looking finished, control systems in there with the the endurance rubber back here on the heel, and that's about it. Yeah, you need that endurance rubber on there. It's way tougher. It feels way more solid than this other black rubber. This stuff feels really soft. This blue stuff, I mean, soft still, but then this gray is super durable. So I'm hoping these will last a really long time. Go with some different fits. I don't know, actually with the yellow laces, they probably match my shirt a lot better. This Kanye and XXX sensation, may he rest in peace. Yeah, swallow that hate, people. Actually, don't do that, because if you do, it's gonna destroy you. Can't be suppressing. Shout out to that song that I started creating. I literally wrote it on live. I know it's horrible because I'm literally writing a song, and so you can't expect the first time you write a song to be the best. I really need to reproduce it and make it better. Sometimes I get inspired, and so I turn on YouTube Live and I play for you guys with my inspiration mind and whatnot. So yeah, you know. With this fit, I think they definitely work. I really dig that race car vibe they're giving off, for sure. Let me know what you think, what lace style you like better, or lace color, I guess, that they provide. And I am going to shoot some positivity at you before I let you go. The kind of seed sown will produce that kind of fruit. Those who do good will reap good results. Those who do evil will reap evil results. If you carefully plant a good seed, you will joyfully gather good fruit. Oh man, so good. Speaks for itself. So anyways, I love you all. Definitely stay safe out there right now. Pretty much everywhere in the country we got a mask up. So do it, people. Just, it's a lot. It's like a seatbelt. I know it's not always fun, but at least we have a bunch of hype options now. You know. Peace.